Getting back to running after a break sounds easy, but if you've been through it, you know the truth. It's not. Your body feels heavy, you're out of breath, and worst of all, your mind starts sabotaging you. It tells you you're done, that you've lost it all, that starting over isn't worth it. But what no one tells you is this: there's a biological reason behind all of it. And if you don't understand it, you'll keep failing again and again. Today I'm going to explain it, and once you get it, you'll realize you're not that far from flying again. First thing you need to know: you haven't gone back to zero. Even if you feel slow, clumsy, or out of shape, your body hasn't forgotten how to run, and your cardiovascular system hasn't disappeared either. What's shut down is something else. It's the habit, the routine, the mental switch that used to activate runner mode without you even thinking. And that switch, my friend, doesn't come back with mileage. It comes back with small, repeated, well-executed decisions. Many people think, to come back, I need to run 5K on day one. And that's exactly what breaks the process. Because what you need isn't to run hard, it's to regain control. Control over your breathing, your posture, your motivation. Only then will you enjoy running again, instead of suffering through it like it's punishment. You feel clumsier, slower, more out of breath, and think you've lost all your fitness. But you know what? It's not your heart. It's not your legs. It's your nervous system. Yes, you heard that right. After a break, your nervous system goes into power-saving mode. Your coordination becomes clumsy, your reflexes slow down, and your perceived effort shoots up, even if you're going slower. The result? Everything feels harder, even when you're still capable of doing it physically. And on top of that, something worse kicks in: the anxiety of not being like before. You compare yourself to your 3 months ago version. Same route, worse time. Same path, more suffering. But that suffering isn't real. It's a false signal, amplified by your brain. And if you obey it, you sink. But if you understand it, you realize this: you don't need to push harder. You need to reconnect the system, regain sensations, slowly reactivate the machine. And when you do that, your fitness comes back faster than you think. Forget about the 5 kilometers. Forget about your pace. And please, forget about your heart rate monitor. If you haven't run in a while, this is what you need to do in your first 3 days. Day 1. Fast walk for 20 minutes. No music, no phone, just you, your breath, and your steps. Focus on how your body moves. Feel your posture. Feel the ground. This is your reset. Day 2. Basic drills. 10 minutes of skipping, but kicks, and mindful walking. Do it barefoot if you can, on grass or at home. This activates your nervous system, your core, your ankles. It's what elites do, but they never post it on Instagram. Day 3. Easy jog for 10 to 15 minutes. Very slow. Slower than you think you should, but with your head high, shoulders loose, and breathing through your nose. Distance doesn't matter. How you feel does. Result? You're rebuilding the real foundation. The one that's invisible, but changes everything. And if you do this for 3 straight days, you'll notice how your body starts to wake up. Not just physically, mentally too. Because coming back to running isn't just returning to the road. It's coming back to yourself. If you've stopped running, you're not broken. You're just disconnected. And that can be fixed. But you need to come back with a clear head. Not from frustration. Not from guilt. But from control. What you've done today is already a giant step. Because now you know the truth. Your body can come back. And your mind can too. In the next video, I'll show you exactly how to plan your first full week so you don't mess it up again. No mistakes, no overdoing it, and no self-sabotage from day 1. Click now. Because getting back to running doesn't start with your legs, it starts here.